So for anyone who uses Stripe, you'll know how annoying it is when you get all the data through the webhook, but you don't know the fee associated with that transaction. And that can really skew your profit calculations. Let's have a little look at what I mean here. So we've just got a basic scenario set up in make.com. I'm just going to run this once, and I'm just going to process a test transaction of £10. So I'm going to go ahead and submit that. And let's have a look at the data that we get. So we get a bunch of data from the webhook. Some of this is useful, some of this is not useful. And obviously this data has the amount received, etc., etc. Now, if we just take that and post that somewhere, say QuickBooks or Xero or Google Sheets, the challenge we have is we don't understand what Stripe is charging us to take that transaction. And if we look at this output here, what we've got here is a fee, and that's what we're trying to calculate here. So what we're going to do is now we're going to work it backwards to get to this end stage. So the first thing you're going to need to do is set up a webhook. So you're going to go into your Stripe account, head on over to webhooks, and then add a webhook. You're going to pop your URL in here, and then you're going to go down to select events. And the event that we're looking for is payment intent succeeded. So the event, this is the event. So you're going to go ahead and click that, click add events. Now what I've already done is I've already kind of set that up here so that anytime a payment event succeeded happens, it triggers this webhook and it posts the data through to make.com. So that's step one. Step two is kind of done for you. So you're going to have access to this blueprint, and we're basically going to make an API call for the charge. And we're going to expand the balance transaction fee object. Now what that's going to give us is that is then going to give us an output within here, and the output is the balance transaction fee. So that's what we're looking for in here. So we've got balance transaction, and then we can see the fee here is 53. And the final step here is to set the value, because essentially it gives you the value times by 100. So we've got to then divide that by 100 to give us the fee amount. I've also done the same here with the object charges amount. So essentially we then result with the output of the amount of £10, also included the date on there and the fee. And what you can then do is subtract the 53p from the £10 to find the net value for that order after you've taken the Stripe fees into consideration. So this will all be in the description. So you'll be able to just import this blueprint, set your webhook up, set your API call up, and you'll be able to get that fee amount really, really easy. I hope that helps. It's helped me loads to be able to calculate the Stripe fees from an actual amount and give us a net value. Thank you.